This video is demonstrating how to install the Chicco car seat adapter into the Twin Roo Plus stroller, and then we're gonna also install the car seat on that. So the Twin Roo Plus is just a basic frame that you can attach different adapters to. This one is the Chicco in specific, and you can put it depending on which way you want to face the car seat. You do have like the arrows pointing there for you. So like I want to face my car seat that way right now, so I'm going to position the adapter this way this time. So you just click that into the slots, and the car seat should just click nicely into the bar that way. To remove the car seat, there is a release lever on the very back part of the car seat itself. That will allow you to completely remove it from the adapter whenever you need to. And that's it.